Being a Discord moderator can be a side hustle, depending on the server's owner or the organization's policies. Some server owners or organizations may offer compensation for the time and effort spent moderating their community. Becoming a Discord moderator can be a great opportunity to help manage online communities and ensure that they remain friendly and welcoming. Here's how to become a Discord moderator. Step 1. Understand the role of a Discord moderator. Before becoming a Discord moderator, it's important to understand the responsibilities and expectations of the role. A moderator is responsible for ensuring that the community follows the rules and guidelines set by the server's owner. This may involve monitoring conversations, resolving disputes, and enforcing server rules. It is also important to be knowledgeable about the server's content, features, and overall purpose. Step 2. Build a positive reputation. To become a Discord moderator, you should start by building a positive reputation within the community. This involves being an active member of the server, participating in conversations, and being helpful and friendly to other members. This will help to build trust with the server owner and demonstrate that you are a responsible and committed member of the community. Step 3. Volunteer for mod duties. Once you have established yourself as a positive member of the community, you can start volunteering for moderator duties. This may involve helping to answer questions or resolve disputes, or assisting with the maintenance of the server. By demonstrating your willingness to help and contribute, you can show that you are committed to the community and that you have the skills and temperament to be an effective moderator. Step 4. Apply for moderator role. Once you have built a positive reputation and demonstrated your willingness to help, you can apply for a moderator role. This may involve submitting an application or expressing your interest to the server owner or existing moderators. Be sure to highlight your experience, skills, and qualifications, and explain why you believe you would make a good moderator. Step 5. Participate in training. If you are selected as a moderator, it's important to participate in any training or orientation that the server owner or existing moderators provide. This will help you understand the server's rules and guidelines, as well as provide you with the skills and tools necessary to effectively moderate the community. In summary, to become a Discord moderator, it is important to build a positive reputation within the community, volunteer for mod duties, apply for the role, and participate in training. With dedication and commitment, you can become an effective and valuable member of a Discord community.